Getting ready for Baja!
Hi, and welcome back. It's been a long time coming. We're prepping the van, packing, and planning for a bucket list overland trip. We're headed to Baja, Mexico for 2 months, our longest yet. So come along for the ride. Adventure's calling. Oh, hell yes.
This looks awesome.
All right, we leave for Baja in 2 weeks. Ordered some skid plates. We got a new ladder, which will be awesome because it's gonna work way better than the one that came with the van. We're gonna watch Brian do a little install. Hi, bud.
What you got going on?
Seeing what you're doing. We always forget to film this stuff, so here we are.
Sad day when these come off.
I know. All right, here's our fancy new ladder. FVC.
Flatline Van Company. The cheapest ladder that we could find online.
That's how we roll.
Well, that's not true. It's real close to it though. Some of them are really chunky, and we didn't want like a really fat ladder on the side, so this one's really thin, aluminum, powder coated. Fits on a 144 because it has a carve out for the rear tire. That was our challenge. Otherwise, there's nowhere really to put it, like on here. You can't block this. You don't want to block this. And then you got to clear the flare. And then you have the wheel. What they did here is they carved it out for the wheel well. So this will go in like that, and it will not block any of that stuff.
Bless you, Klaus.
And it was $700,
Even better.
which is huge. Most ladders are over $1,000. I think it looks better.
It looks way better. Okay, original. Feels a little squirrely. A little flexy.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, sweet. Very sturdy.
Yeah.
Better.
Only took twice as long as we thought.
Let's see what Brian's done.
There we go. Okay.
All right, moment of truth.
The truth isn't coming yet. All right, now we gotta open this up to the water filter, and I haven't seen if it's leaking at all, so that will be our first thing that we're looking for. Acuva, thank you, is what we installed. So it's an ultraviolet sterilizer, basically, with just a filter that takes out particle filter. So it's not like a reverse osmosis or anything like that, just taking bacteria out of the water.
Oh,
Blue. It's blue.
blue means it's working.
Blue is goot. Blue under there too. I guess you're supposed to run it for like 3 minutes.
All right.
Or something like that. Sweet.
All right. Good job.
And is off when the pump's off. So that works out really well.
Yay!
So when we shut our pump off.
Brian installed a water filter and I organized the dishes. It is packing day. And although it is mid-April, actually it's past mid-April, and it was 68 degrees yesterday, I got this.
All right, you need to come inside. Quickly. Come. Let's come. Come on. Come on.
Go on, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to fit all of this. Oh, wait. Okay, all of this into this, plus this. I don't know. And voila. All right, Brian's upstairs. Attaching surfboards and things we don't normally bring. Surfboards and our spare gas. Trying to move everything around so we are not covering up our solar panels as much as we were. So, max tracks, all sorts of stuff's up there. And I'm gonna try and load the van. See if I can fit 2 months worth of stuff. This is the longest trip we've ever done. But see if I can try and fit 2 months of stuff into storage, which are closed. My clothes net, Brian's clothes net.
This has gas on it too, by the way.
Oh, nice.
Green is what, and blue. One's gonna be diesel.
So see this little triangle of this like wetlands?
Yeah.
It's just south of that, San Felipe.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. And then if we wanted to, like we could, I mean, this is probably pretty gnarly anyway. I was like, where are we going? On a ferry?
Or are we trying to make time and get south?
No, I mean, I think there's kind of cool stuff along the whole way, but
It's also it goes along the ocean through all these little towns.
yeah, I think it'll be super cool. I don't know, but this is the road we want.
Yeah.
Yep.
Even if it's that long.
My house. Are you homesick already?
I am. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave.
Brian doesn't want to leave. There's no snow anymore. It's okay to leave now.
I couldn't be happier about living here. Greatest decision I've ever made in my life.
Okay, even Jackalop's ready for the trip. He's pumped. Well, we're hitting the road. Join us next time as we work our way to the border while visiting some of our own country's kick-ass sites. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Adventure is calling.